Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Infiniti G37 rear bumper. Begin by lifting the trunk liner and unplugging the taillight connectors. Next, remove visible screws and plastic rivets along the wheel wells and under the bumper. Keep a tray for hardware so you don't lose clips. Work on one side at a time and gently pull the bumper outward to disengage the clips. If it resists, double-check for hidden fasteners before forcing it. Gather tools and prepare the work area before you start. A panel trim tool prevents broken clips, and a 10 mm socket handles most bumper bolts. Use painter's tape on adjacent panels to avoid scuffs while levering the bumper off. Keep a flashlight handy to spot hidden fasteners in recesses and wheel wells. Lay out removed hardware in order so reinstallation is straightforward and faster, and keep phone photos to remember clip positions. Start with taillights out to reveal inner bolts, then undo screws in the wheel liners to free side tabs. Next, remove any lower fasteners under the car and check behind the bumper for screws near the exhaust tips. Hold the bumper steady with a helper and gently pull the corners outward to release plastic clips. Keep tension even to avoid panel damage and set the bumper on a padded surface once it clears the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.